Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've uploaded any video, but here we are back, and I'm gonna start right where we left last time. I believe it was right here in Hornporn. This is the beautiful Hornporn in Woburn, one of the best places to hike. So if you're around Boston, you're looking for a nice place to hike, this is one of them. Hornporn, Woburn. From here you can do a whole loop of the lake and go inside the hill over there, from where you get a very good view of the Boston skyline. Well, today, very beautiful day in Boston. It's 95. Oh my god, it's 95 degrees outside. I'm sweating like crazy. It's too hot, so I'm wearing this mesh dirt bike armor today, because I can't wear a hoodie or a leather jacket today. No way I can. So just a t-shirt. Just a t-shirt and this mesh, what do you call it? Gear, let's say. Even my hands are all sweaty because of the gloves. Oh, my legs are sweating, my pants, my boots, but hey, you gotta get up every time, man. You safety first. Anywho, today we are going down to Boston, around Seaport, to see all the fan fest that's happening for FIFA World Cup. Yeah, there's a FIFA fan fest down in Boston. They have a huge football and huge screens and everything, so I'm gonna just go and check it out how it's going. I also have some work down there in the Somerville area, so I'm gonna finish that and then head down to Boston. I mean, it's traffic hours anyway, it's gonna be traffic, but yeah, you don't have to sit through that because I'm gonna cut through it. I don't want to get you guys bored, you know. A couple of changes since last time I made a video. I've changed my Moto vlog setup. You see this? Safe. Yeah, I'm using the GoPro Hero 12, but at the same time, I'm using a mic from DJI Mic Mini 2, I believe. I just plugged the receiver into the GoPro and take the sound in. I have a mic inside my helmet, and I have another mic in my back pocket, which I have no idea how it's sounding. I don't know if it's too loud, is it not loud enough, if it's a lot of wind noises, no noises, I have no idea. But hey, let's give it a shot. And yep, for shadow itself, I got resumometers, I got a gold chain, I have an Insta 360 set up on my back with invisible pole and everything set up. I had to do a DIY because I don't have passenger's peg, and all the videos I could find on YouTube was about passenger's peg, mounting the stand on passenger peg. Since I don't have the passenger peg, I have nothing to mount the invisible stick into. So I got DIY, which I will show it to you when I get out of the bike. But other than that, for the bike, I think that's it. I didn't do much this year. I've been thinking of tuning it, but it's running just fine, so I don't know if I want to do that anymore. But you know, time will tell. Yeah, I also got Insta 360 so that I can elevate the way I take my videos while I ride. Oh, that car was slow. Yeah man, it's hot, I'm sweating, and there's no way I'm staying behind anyone today. Woo! It's like I'm riding in Las Vegas. I was in Vegas a week ago. It was 105 degrees every single day, every single time. Oh my god. I don't know how Las Vegas Ducati Club does ride over there. There's no way I can ride in that kind of condition. I do feel like I'm riding Vegas right now though. I have no idea which road I'm coming to either, but it looks nice. I don't know what decimal did I put the receiver into. I know they say to put it in -12 because it takes a lot of gain. We'll find out. Nice roads. Thank you, my bro. God damn it.
1 hour later.
This is not the most massive move. Yeehaw. Alright, I gotta do the massive move number 2. All these people in front of me, I'm 80% sure at least 2 of this car are trying to go left in the last second. Look at, I told you. I can't go straight, to be honest. But I'm a bike, I can fit anywhere. That's what's up. See, you don't even have to lose a spot when a bike comes in front of you, because we are just moving anyway. If there's another car that pulls in front of you, then that's a problem, because they're not gonna move when you are boxed. Oh, gotta love Massachusetts, bro. It's hot. It's crazy hot. I appreciate it. Oh shit, look at this. Unicorn. I see you looking at my bike. It's alright, look at it. I'm not gonna judge you. Because I will look at it too. got some, I don't know, is that France? I think that's France. I don't know, my ball knowledge is too weak. I don't know what that is. LA? It says LA. I had to give him.
Is that 2024?
2024. Yes. Yes, sir. Nice catch. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. How's it going, sir? This one? Yeah, that's the clutch.
That's the clutch.
Yeah.
I was wondering what the hell I'm looking at.
Yeah.
There's no way to put a rotary engine inside of it. I saw it going by.
Yeah, that's the clutch that goes around when I grab the clutch thingy. Yeah, that's the actual clutch. You can just see through it, that's it.
I know.
Yeah.
I was like trying to figure out what I was looking at. I'm like, it's just the clutch.
It's just the clutch, yes. You're correct.
Damn.
Yeah.
Is this a pro bike?
What was it?
Is this a pro bike?
Yeah, it's a V2 engine, so it's like 980cc.
980cc?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
Gets very hot.
Yeah, I can imagine. Well, that's why
Whew.
you're properly dressed for it.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially if you're riding on a day like that. I'm sure like your fucking crotch is burning.
Oh yeah, it's right on your ass, so
Yeah.
this tie gets hot.
Yeah, I thought honestly when you're driving by, I thought you didn't even have like a muffler on it, but we know he does.
Oh, it does. Oh, there is one.
It's just
It-
really fucking.
It's just loud.
It looks like
Yeah.
this fucking asshole. And I'm like, no, actually, like he does have a muffler. It's just really fucking.
Yeah, it's loud. Yeah.
Theater, dude. It's like
It's Austin Racing from UK. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
wild, huh?
that's so cool. Actually, can I take a picture of your of the clutch?
Yeah, sure.
Exposed?
No problem. Yep, no problem. Go for it.
All right, cool.
Of course, man.
Yeah,
Enjoy the day.
you too.
Yep. Alright, let's put it down.
1 hour later.
I didn't see the lights in here. It was one hell of a day. Oh yeah, I told you I was gonna show you my setup. So this is how I have set up my Insta 360 heavy duty clamp right over here over painter's tape so that it doesn't leave any scratch when I have to take it out. I don't think I'll take it out, it's gonna stay right there, because attached to this is a carbon fiber extended invisible stick, so it's way longer than the normal Insta360 invisible stick. And like I said, I can clamp here, but there's nothing to support this over here because I don't have a passenger's peg. So for that reason, I had to DIY it. I went to Home Depot to see some clamps, and I found this clamp on Amazon. Actually, I couldn't find any on Home Depot that could fit my bike, so I found this clamp from Amazon. I will link it below just in case you guys want it. So I clamped this in here, so look, it is super sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Even when I take it out to its fullest, it's not gonna go anywhere. And this is the rotating style one, so when you rotate it, it's gonna be tight, it's not gonna go down. So rotate it back and it's gonna go down. Same thing with this, rotate and stuck, rotate and goes down. It's a very nice investment, so I'm just gonna keep them right there. And oh yeah, so this clamp I got a screw, a longer screw that's for this tail, and I took the tail one out and I put the longer bolt in it. I'm sorry, I'm too hot, that's why I'm not being able to talk properly. But yeah, I took out the bolt from the normal from this tail, and I got the same bolt but longer from Home Depot, and I just stick it in right here. But the hole for the clamp was bigger, so I had to put a washer. I don't know if you can see it, and I painted the washer black so it matches. And yeah, and I stick it in, and I put 3M adhesive tape, double-sided adhesive tape on the clamp when I put it up there, so that by the pressure of the bolt, it's going to press against the tail, so the tape is going to act like a cushion over there so that it doesn't get scratched, and it gives it extra protection and extra stabilization. So now I can just have them out, put Insta360 on top. Although it's gonna wiggle a lot, but Insta360 has stabilization control, so it's gonna work. And I'm just waiting for a quick release mount for Insta360s, so I can take this one out and just put the quick release in there, so I can just bolt it in, just quick mount it in, so the quick release magnetic, and let it be there instead of having to go round and round and round and round. And I don't know, when the wind blows it might just unscrew itself. I'm just scared, so I'm gonna use this a quick release mount on this. It's gonna be all set for my setup. 360 on the back, GoPro on the front. I might have Mr. 360 Go 3 over here for my POV, for the front POV. And yeah, the setup is complete. Well, that was it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. That was my Insta360 setup. We went through Boston, did some asshole moves, which I don't recommend to anyone. Got a lot of thumbs up, a lot of red bumps, and yep, hopefully my quick release mount is gonna come soon, so I can just mount it in there, see how the camera works. And after I get a nice footage from the camera, then I'm going to share my full motovlog setup, so it's easier for anyone else who's trying to do it. I had to do a lot of my own research to do it in this bike, because no one really made any video of it. Streetfighter V2, not even for the Insta360 camera setup or anything like that. Even if they did, it had the passenger peg. In my case, I didn't have the passenger peg, right? So I had to do my own DIY thingy. So if I can share that with you guys, so that any other bros with Streetfighter V2 without the passenger peg, now you guys know what to do. With that being said, I would like to take a leave from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked what you saw today, if it was any helpful at all. And yep, share this video with your friends and support your boy, man. Support your boy. Alright guys, you have a good day now. Take care, be safe, wear your gear, and enjoy the life to the fullest. We'll see you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.